Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing KD.com, or I don't know how to pronounce it. As you can see right here, if you don't know what this is, they basically sell products to like watches, to drills, to glasses, to slingshots, smartwatches, and basically it's just like Shopee, Lazada, Alibaba, and a lot more. They sell various different products right here, just like dentures. And as you can see, if you're wondering if these products are legit, we have it here on Trustpilot, which is they are rated 1.8 out of 5 stars, which is poor for 16 reviews, and majority of them are 1 star. So I would give 0 stars, and not even 1. Ordered Taser Ring for 55. It's the middle of May, and I received nothing. Intelligent zoom, reading glasses, blue eye protection, laser welder, only on wire, soldering gun. It's a scam. The product is a scam. Far away from what advertised. This company is a scam, so please stay away from this. They're very shady as well, since they're not that famous. Also, and as you can see, Scam Advisor, they also say that they're legit. So when was created? So they were created recently, last year. So the owner of it is this one, the company, and the company is Shanghai Fish and Fish Trading Co. And he just discounts too good to be true. Yes, it is. Yes, they are. There's a strong possibility that KD may be a scam. Let's sum it up. Basically, there are a lot of red flags in this website. So, basing from the reviews here, please don't order anything from this website, since there are a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.